In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Gantt chart in Zoho projects. Start by logging into your Zoho projects portal and opening the project where you want to adjust the chart. Once you are inside the project, go to the Reports area. Reports is where Zoho projects groups visual views like timelines and workload, so it is the right place to find Gantt-related display settings. After you are on the Reports page, look for the Small Options or Settings area for the chart view. This is typically shown as a set of controls near the top of the report. Click the highlighted control to open the Customization panel. This panel is where you can change what information appears directly on the bars and how the chart presents details at a glance. Next, find and click Data Labels. Data labels control the text that appears on the Gantt chart bars, such as task names or other task-related details. Turning the right labels on can make the chart easier to read during meetings, while turning extra labels off can reduce clutter if the schedule is very busy. After you open Data Labels, click the highlighted option to begin adjusting what is shown. Then continue clicking through the highlighted selections to apply your preferred label choices. As you make these changes, pay attention to how the preview of the chart updates. A helpful tip is to choose labels that support quick scanning, so the most important details are visible without needing to open each task. Continue with the next highlighted clicks to confirm and finalize the label configuration. If the interface provides an apply or save action, make sure you complete it so the settings remain in place when you return to the report later. When you are finished, click Workload Report to switch back to the main report view shown in the instructions. This confirms that your report navigation is set correctly and that your customization is reflected in the reporting area you are using. That covers everything you need to know.